Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to discuss the vocabulary number 16. So here we will be seeing 5 words, its meaning and sentences. If you are new here, I would like you to subscribe to our channel, give it a like if you enjoy this content and share this with your friends. Let's start. So the first word that we are going to see in this video is philosophizing. It means talking or thinking deeply about some serious or abstract topics, especially something related to life, existence, or morals. Sentence would be, we stayed up all night philosophizing about the meaning of happiness. Okay, the second word is slump. It means a sudden or prolonged fall in performance, mood, or activity. It can also refer to sitting or falling heavily. So sentence with that would be, after the breakup, he fell into a slump and barely left his apartment. Next word is perpetually. It means continually or endlessly. Something that happens all the time without stopping. Okay, continuous. So sentence with that would be, she is perpetually late no matter how early she leaves the house. So the word is used in this manner. Next one is relapse. It means to return to a worse stage or a former bad habit, especially after a period of improvement. So after an improvement stage, the same habit forms and it takes to a worst state, that is known as relapse. Okay, that return is known as relapse. So sentence with that would be, after 6 months of sobriety, he unfortunately had a relapse. Next one, or the last one word for the video, is fortify. It means to strengthen or protect something, often used for defenses but also for people emotionally or physically. Okay, so it is used for defenses that are done. Also it can refer to the people emotionally and physically also. So a sentence with that would be, she drank a strong coffee to fortify herself for a long day ahead. So this is how these words are used. So hope these words added to your vocabulary, and if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share this content with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.